Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all in this video. In this video I'm going to unbox this package. Yes, it looks completely terrible. You can see someone stood on it. Maybe, may not be. Fine. Let's get inside. And as you know, by seeing the thumbnail, this is my first keyboard. But where can I start? No, this is not. Here it is. Nowadays Amazon is using this kind of cushion for their packages, but I don't like that. Fine, we are having the keyboard here and done. It's a padmate wireless tablet keyboard case. Tablet or iPad, little bit dusty, and here you can see it is mentioned like compatible with iPad 10th gen. Okay, nice packages. And here you can see some details about the product. It's now name, model ID, and its price, and some supports. Scan me for 1 year warranty, maybe, I hope so. Let's see. And yes, it is built-in trackpad one, ultra slim in design, similar to the iPad case, not for this one. This is having Poco point connectors. Let's get in. That's all. The booklet, the main thing I don't like to see. And for warranty, and here is our product. Yeah, it's almost 250 gram weight, I feel so, or maybe more than 250, but I don't know. And what is this? Oh, style, no stylus. Thank god. This is a cable. Normal USB 8 to type C, but I don't like to use this. It will let them to charge slow, but that is a good thing. It is a type C model, so you can able to charge it. Here it is, your main keyboard case. This is the maximum bend you can do. Okay, let's see the keyboard. Here you can see the battery indication, Bluetooth, and caps lock. On the right you can able to see the on off button and also type C charging. In the left, nothing. Yes, in the front also nothing. And some details over here, you can able to check this in internet. And also its input watts, 3 volt and 2.5 milliampere. That is the maximum power supply it can able to use. Let's put our iPad over here. And as you all know, this is my first iPad case, first iPad and first iPad case. And yes, thank god. I'm going to do like that. Yeah, that's all. Oh, the battery percentage is so low. That's all. It's fully magnetic and done. If my iPad is black or silver, yeah, this is the best combo for it, but unfortunately okay, so let's open this. Okay, let's get inside the settings. Nothing will work. And in the Bluetooth you can see padmate. That's all, I hope so. Yes, it is connected. It is showing connected, and now you can do the process. Let's go to okay, the left click is in the bottom. You need to click that one. Okay, that is the one. So left click in the bottom, right click also in the bottom. So left and right. You can take this. That's all. Tata, bye bye. Okay, here the left click. Okay, it is a clickable button. You need to click it, and then what is the purpose of right? Okay, right and left both are same here. And also they mentioned you have the all iOS shortcuts over here also. I can increase the brightness and everything. Even this comes with a backlit, but those are all available in the what I can say, in the shorts section maybe. Yeah, in future I may upload that one, or in the review section, but as of now this is the thing. Let me create, oh it's not, let me create one notes, if possible I can do it. Yes, here, hi, hello, yeah, done. I hope you can see this. That's all about this video, guys. It's me, Portronics, signing off. Meet you guys in my next video. Peace.